want to start either in the front of the vehicle or the back of the vehicle. It's the best way to do, because then you can jump from vehicle to vehicle to vehicle rather than, you know, doing the side first and then not knowing where you're at. So this will help you to stay consistent at where you're at. So it's a 1, 2, 3 method. Start at the bottom, work your way up, because when you work your way up, you're not leaning up against the car on a wet car and get yourself soaked. That's why you start on the bottom first. Start on the very bottom, get your bumper in the back of your vehicle, and stretch it out, get all the way across the trunk. You go down your side right here, get the bottom, and come and get your glass first. Then you go 1, 2, 3. All the way down. 1, 2, 3. And do your front. Chamois builds up with water. You want to fold it in 3s. You can fold this in like that. Grab the ends of it. Just get your water out. It's real simple. Just flop it open real quick.